Hello everyone! Today I am going to show you how to create a GDPS by using AlwaysData. The process is pretty much straightforward. First of all, you will need to go to AlwaysData.com and then click on the free tier. You will then be redirected to the sign up page. You will need to give your email address, any password you want, and accept the privacy policy. I recommend to select social media about the way that you heard about AlwaysData. If it asks you for a credit card, it means that you used a VPN, so please disable it. After that, click on Create My Profile. You will then be redirected to the welcome screen. You will need to keep the product as Free Public Cloud, set your name as any GDPS name you want as long as it results 33 characters. You could also add slashes at the end so that you can get extra characters. And the password can be any password you want, but please, you will need to remember it as it will be used in all of this tutorial. Then accept the term of use and the special conditions. After that, you're ready to go. You can click on Let's Go. Now we need the GDPS software. We are not going to use Civilta's version of GMD private server, but a more recent version that has a really good dashboard. Click on the code button and then on download zip. You can then use any software you want like 7-zip, WinRAR, or even the zip extraction tool that you have on Windows. In my case, I already have it on the desktop extracted. Now we want to go in the admin panel again and click on Databases followed by MySQL. We will click on the Add a Database button and create a new database. You can use any name you want, but it must start with the GDPS name that you have already chosen, followed by an underscore. After that, you can choose whatever you want, but please keep it in mind. Now we need to open phpMyAdmin. We are going to use our username and password that you used before to log in. And here we will be greeted with phpMyAdmin. Click on the database that you already created and open the folder where you have the GDPS software. Find the database.sql file that you have and drag it into the browser window. If it's a success, congrats, you just did it. You imported the GDPS database. After that, go back into the admin panel and click on Remote Access followed by FTP. Here we'll find all the info that you will need to connect via FTP. You can use any client you want, like FileZilla, WinSCP, etc. In my case, I am going to use FileZilla. In the Host tab, you will need to add FTP your GDPS name that you have in the beginning, like I love GDPS, .alwaysdata.net. In the username, you will need to add your username, in my case I love GDPS, and the password is your password. Then click on Quick Connect. After that, you will be greeted with two folders, admin and www. We are interested in the www folder. Once we get in, we will need to open the GMD private server folder that we had in the past for the database.sql file, but in this time, import everything into a window where we have our GDPS. And there you go, all of your files are now in the GDPS. What we need to do now is to go into the config folder and then edit connection.php, which will have our MySQL server. For the server name, we are going to add MySQL your GDPS name .alwaysdata.net. For the username, you are going to add your username. And for the DB name, we are going to add our database name that we have. For the password, we are going to add the password that you added in the beginning. And we're almost done. Now, write in the address bar your GDPS name .alwaysdata.net/dashboard and you will get your new dashboard. You just need to click on one link and everything will be set up and ready for you. Now, you can also add an icon if you want. You just need to have a file named icon.png in the dashboard folder, just next to the config folder. And here you go. You just set up your GDPS. Please check all other episodes that will arrive soon about securing your GDPS and adding roles to your GDPS.